This is Wijia with NextHome Lifestyles, and welcome to another Lifestyles listing. I'd like to welcome you home to 1801 Hillbrandt Place, a recently built townhouse located within the Boulevard community of Central Santa Clara, which caters to comfortable living and modern convenience. This luxurious tri-level townhome offers 1,591 square feet of immaculate interior living space with 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and an attached 2-car garage in a desirable end unit location. On the interior, this home is filled with elegant finishes throughout, including new plush carpeting, freshly painted interiors, and modern lighting accents. At the ground level, a tiled entryway greets visitors. Just past a ground floor bedroom, an ensuite bathroom and a cozy private patio offers ideal accommodations for multi-generational living or long-stay guests. Up the stairs on the main level, large open living spaces provide adequate room for both entertaining and everyday living. Consisting of a living room with a gas fireplace, a dining area with a built-in butler's pantry, and a recently updated kitchen. Featuring freshly painted cabinetry, tile backsplash, granite countertops, and a large island, ideal for casual dining as well as conversation with the cook, such as a Genair gas stove cooktop and a built-in Genair refrigerator. Adjacent to the kitchen is a convenient half bathroom, as well as the laundry room. Plus, an outdoor balcony allows for pleasant views over the community. On the 3rd level is access to a guest bedroom, featuring another ensuite bathroom offering a shower over a bathtub, as well as the primary suite that offers an opulent bathroom that features a double vanity with quartz countertop and oversized shower stall. The Boulevard community was recently built by Shea Homes and consists of a small enclave of luxury townhomes as well as several common amenities such as a central park and children's playground. And with its convenient Central Santa Clara location, this community offers its residents peaceful living combined with the unique advantages of a great urban location, as it is within close proximity to an abundance of shopping, dining, and entertainment destinations. Find almost anything you're looking for at the Santa Clara Town Center, featuring such big chain stores as Target, Sprouts, and Walgreens. Grab dinner and drinks at the popular Santana Row and enjoy one of Silicon Valley's premier destinations for fine dining and upscale shopping. Entertain the whole family by spending a day at nearby Great America theme park, or grab tickets and watch the San Francisco 49ers play at Levi's Stadium. Plus, with a central location within Silicon Valley, this community is also within close proximity to numerous top employers, including Apple Computers, NVIDIA, Cisco, and Applied Materials. Find your next home today at the convenient located 1801 Hillbrandt Place in Santa Clara. It's been a pleasure showing you around this beautiful home today. I'm Wijia with NextHome Lifestyles, and I'd like to invite you to see it in person. Thanks so much for watching.